Starting and launching an online business in 1 week is possible, but only if you stop trying to build the perfect business and focus on getting the first version live. And this is where most people waste the first week doing things that feel productive but do not create sales. They make a logo on Canva, they buy a domain name from GoDaddy, they tweak their bio, they watch more trainings, they build a course, they set up complicated funnels, and they overthink their niche for the next 6 days. By the end of the first week, they still have no offer, no audience, no conversations, and no buyers. And this is not building a business. This is hiding behind the setup. If you want to start and launch an online business in the next 7 days, you need to keep it simple. One person, one problem, one offer, clear content, and the next step. That's it. And here's the 7-day path. Day number 1, pick who you're going to help and what problem you're going to help them solve. Do not try to build your business for everyone. Pick the type of person and the one problem that they care about and they are already experiencing. For example, coaches who do not know what to post, local business owners who need more leads, course creators who have an offer but no buyers, affiliate marketers who need a simple content plan, beginners who want to start an online business without overcomplicating it. The faster you get clearer, the faster you can sell. Day number 2, create a simple starter offer. Do not build a giant course. Start with a simple, useful offer you can deliver right now. That could be a 90-minute strategy session, a 7-day sprint, a paid workshop, a starter coaching program, a template pack with support, a school community with a simple onboarding path. Your first offer should answer these 5 questions. Who is it for? What problem does it solve? What outcome or result do they get? How does it work? And what's the clear next step? Simple sells. Complicated confuses. Day number 3, build your simple sales asset. So you do not need a full website. You need one clear page, a post, a document, a video that explains the whole offer. Include what it is, who it's for, the problem that it solves, what they get, how it works, why it's different, and how to join or message you. This gives you something to send when people ask you for the details. It also stops you from explaining your offer from scratch every time. Day number 4, you want to create your launch content. Now, create a few posts or videos that warm people up. You want to create content that talks about the problem that they're stuck in, the mistake that they are making, the story or reason for building this, the simple shift that they need to make, the offer or the next step. Do not just post, I launched something new. Create demand for it, because people need to feel the problem before you invite them into the solution. Day number 5, you want to start conversations. This is where most beginners avoid the real work, because most online businesses are built through conversations. Reply to comments, message people who raise their hands, ask what they are working on right now, ask what are they stuck on, ask what have they tried, ask what is the result that they want. Then if your offer fits, invite them to the next step. No spam, no weird pitch, just real conversations with people who already show interest. Day number 6, open the offer. Now is the time to make your offer public. Post the full breakdown and invite people to ask for the details. Your call to action can be as simple as this. Comment start and I'll send you over the details. If it feels like this is what you need, message me and I'll walk you through it. The goal is not to impress everyone. The goal is to get the right people to raise their hands. And day number 7 is to follow up and improve. Your launch does not end when you post. Follow up with everyone who commented, messaged you, clicked on a link, watched your video, or asked a question. Ask them questions. Did you get a chance to check it out? Does this feel like what you need right now? What questions do you have before jumping in? What are you unsure about? Use their questions to improve your offer, your content, and your sales asset. This is how you're going to learn fast. So the simple answer is this. To start and launch an online business in 1 week, pick one audience, solve one urgent problem, create a simple offer document, build one sales asset, post content that creates demand, start conversations, open the offer, and then follow up. Do not spend the week trying to look professional. Spend the week showing people what you sell. You can clean up your brand later. You can build a website later. You can improve your offer later, but you cannot improve a business you never put in front of people. This is exactly why I'm a part of the One Group operating system. We help coaches, course creators, affiliate marketers, local business owners, and beginners Launch a simple online business system around creating content, community, conversations, and conversions. No complicated funnels, no waiting until everything is perfect, no guessing what to post. Just a clean 1 week path to get your idea out there, to start conversations, and to move people towards becoming a buyer. If you want help starting and launching your online business with a simple group-based system, comment group down below and I'll send you the details.